Hello everyone, let's back to our session. Now in the early session we have done how to find area, as well as we have done also definition of area as well as perimeter. Now in this class I am going to explain you how to find perimeter. Now, as I told you earlier, कि perimeter, when we talk about perimeter, it means we are talking about its boundary. Okay. So now in this question, you can all see in this question we have to find the perimeter of rectangle, whereas length is given as 25 and the breadth is given as 64. As I told you, first we have to write the given thing. So you will write the length of the rectangle is L equal to 64. Breadth of the rectangle is 25 and the perimeter of the rectangle is 2L plus B. Now you will think how the 2L plus B formula comes out. I'll explain you that. As in this question, you have seen, as in this question you can see better, कि here we have 1 and 2 length, and in the other side we have 2 breadth. So if we have to find the perimeter, so we have to add all the boundaries. Like if we name it A, B, C and D. So how we will find its area? We will find it like this. Perimeter. How we can find the perimeter? AB plus BC plus CD, and the last one is DA. This is the first step which we can do and find. But now, just say for example, you all now have this thing, कि we have the formula of finding perimeter, that is 2L plus B. Now in this question you have seen this, कि here in this we have 2L and 2B. In place of writing all these things, AB plus BC, CD and DA, we can take a smart step. What is that? Let me explain you that, beta. Like we have 2L, so we can write L plus L, and we have 2B, which is called breadth, so we can write B plus B. Now here we have 2L and we have 2B. So we have taken out 2 as a common in the formula, and we have L plus B. From here only the formula formed 2L plus B. Now what you will do, you have given L, so you have written here 64, B 25, you will add both of it and you'll get answer 89. जो answer आया, whatever the answer came here, you have to multiply it with 2, because the formula is 2L plus B. The formula is 2L plus B. So you have written L here, B here, and after adding L plus B, you have multiplied with 2, and here you got the answer. To understand this topic in a better way, let's move to the next question. Now again we have the same question, same figure, but the measurement is different. Now we can see here we have length 5 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter. We'll put the question in the formula, perimeter equal to 2L plus B. We add L and B, we got the answer 15, and at the last we have to multiply length and breadth total with 2, and we got our answer. I think you have understood the topic. See you in the next session.